Hello dear students. So we were reading lesson number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. So in previous two videos we have discussed that what he has done means Albert Einstein. When he was born on 14th March 1879, and how he got his primary education, how he moved from one place to another place, and how he argued with the teachers, and he got married with the Mileva Maric, and then he got married with his cousin Elsa. So now today I will try to finish this chapter. Okay, so let's start. I have explained 11 paragraphs. So today I will start paragraph number 12, and I hope that you are you're understanding each and every line. If you have any problem, you can ask. So let's start from here. Paragraph number 12. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Deflected means changed direction because it hit something. Okay. So Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In his life, so many things happened with him. First, he argued with the teachers. Then he got married while his mother was not ready for that. Then he got divorced. He had two sons also, and he got married with his cousin sister. But now, the new thing added in his life what was that in 1915 he had published his General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. Means here he gave another theory related to gravitation. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Actually, in 1915 he gave this theory, but in 1919 when the eclipse was there, and this proved that whatever the theory he had given in that time, it was proof. Okay. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. This all related to your physics. Okay, I think if you will read the physics, so you will better understand. Okay, so all means he had given 4 points to understand. So please read carefully and understand the point. Okay. So in 1919, an eclipse of the sun brought proof that it was accurate. Okay. Einstein had correctly calculated. Means here it is very difficult to calculate. And what is difficult to calculate? It is very difficult to calculate what? The extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. Means deflected means what? Change direction because it hit something. Suppose eclipse, do you know about eclipse? Sun is there and something is just coming between the earth and sun. So the sun rays is hitting something, so it happens. So what he calculated, Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed star would be reflected. Means it could change, and he calculated correctly that how it would change and what would be the result. Okay, the newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. When he calculated in advance through the sun's gravitational field, means it is totally related what gravitational means, because here it is a general theory of relativity now, and this is related to gravity. This is the interpretation of gravity. So because of that only it was explained, and here the newspaper also proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Means it is what? It is the light, it is the rays of what? In science, that science has a lot of things. Science can change the life of the human being and life of the society, life of the everything, means it can change. Okay. So Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Actually, because of this work, because of his work, he received Nobel Prize in 1921, and he was invited so many places in all over the world. He was honored by so many places, so many persons, and every day and for so many years he was in the newspaper. He was in the newspaper, means he was popular, he was famous among the people according to, means by his work. So when the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So before that he was living in Germany, but when Nazis came in 1933, so he immigrated to the United States, means he started living in the United States. And 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them had fled from fascism. In an uproar means very upset. 5 years later, when the invention of nuclear, means the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Means it was a very big problem. It was very big problem. It was very good also, but nobody knows that what will happen in the future. So because of that, the scientists, American scientists were what? Very upset when it was discovered in Berlin. So many of them had fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So this was the big problem. This was the main reason that why they had fled from there, because they could use this atomic bomb. And I think you know very well that when the atomic bomb was used. If you remember, so you can understand. Can I give you a hint? Nagasaki, Hiroshima. Okay. So at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd of August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, which I was talking about, that atomic bomb was used. It is. So, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American president Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned. Actually, he wrote a letter because of his one of his colleague requested, please write a letter to the American president. So he wrote on 2nd August 1939, and there he warned, what he warned, that a single bomb of this type means like that, atomic bomb, exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. If it is exploded somewhere, so it is not destroyed only one thing, it will destroy the whole port which is belong to that area. So the Americans developed, so his words did not fail to have an effect. So American developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own, means they have also invented, they have also developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own, and they dropped that atomic bomb where they have dropped two cities, Nagasaki and Hiroshima, which belong to Japan. And it happened in 1945 in August. It happened in 1945, they have developed and they have dropped these two bombs where in Nagasaki and Hiroshima in August 1945. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it, he proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the later to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. But over the next decade, Einstein got more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms build-up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. Here, missive means later, especially long and officially. Okay. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. Actually, what happened in Japan, Nagasaki and Hiroshima, which was affected by the atomic bomb, and still the person who was taking birth there, they are not physically fit. Okay, so because of that only, he was deeply shaken by this effect, by this destruction. So this time, first of all, he wrote that letter, but now this time he wrote a public missive means public letter, means from public to the United Nations, means UN. Do you know about UN? Okay. So in it, he proposed the formation of a world government, and there he just offered, there he proposed, there he suggested, what he suggested, there should be a world government. There should be a world government, so that world government take decision for the other country. So because of that only he proposed. Unlike the later to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. First of all, there his letter did not fail to have a good effect, but now this made no impact. Okay, but over the next decade means 10 years. Decade means 10 years. So over the 10 years means over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics. Means gradually he was coming in politics. Why he was coming in politics? Because he wanted what? He wanted that whatever he had popularity among the people, he wanted to use this popularity to campaign for peace to build a peaceful nations. So because of that only he was coming and he was using his popularity. Okay. So when Einstein died in 1955, at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as scientific genius. Say, visionary means a person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way. So, in 1955, the genius died. Genius means Albert Einstein. So in 1955, when he was 76-year old, he was died, and this day was celebrated what? This day was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as scientific genius. Means it was celebrated as a visionary day. So I think you understood this chapter. Please read it carefully and understand this chapter. Please read line by line, and there are some exercises thinking about the text. I think you can do it. Here you have to put the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means here you have to give the number to make in an order so that you can understand this. Okay, that what happened in. So you will get some question answers. So till now, thank you so much, dear friends. Thank you.